Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon on Afterpay. While Amazon does not directly accept Afterpay as a payment method, there is a straightforward workaround. The only way to make purchases on Amazon using Afterpay is by generating a single-use virtual card through the Afterpay app. This virtual card acts like a regular debit or credit card, allowing you to split your Amazon purchase into 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks. It's a convenient way to manage your spending. 1, 3, 4, 5. To begin, open the Afterpay app on your mobile device and navigate to the Shop tab. Search for Amazon and proceed to shop as you normally would, adding items to your cart. When you are ready to check out, Afterpay will guide you through generating a unique, single-use virtual card. Before finalizing, always confirm your available Afterpay spending limit to ensure it covers your entire Amazon order, including any shipping and taxes. 1, 5, 7. Once your virtual card is generated within the Afterpay app, the details will often autofill directly into Amazon's payment section during checkout. If not, simply select Add a new payment method on Amazon and input the virtual card's number, expiration date, and 3-digit CVV code as you would any other credit or debit card. After confirming these details, you can place your Amazon order. Afterpay will then take over, splitting your total into 4 manageable, interest-free payments. 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. Remember, the Afterpay virtual card is for a single use, so avoid saving it as your default payment method on Amazon. Always double-check your Afterpay payment schedule, which outlines 4 interest-free installments over 6 weeks, before finalizing your order. If you need to return an item, any refunds will be credited back to your Afterpay account, adjusting your remaining payments. This method provides a flexible way to shop on Amazon while managing your budget responsibly. 1, 4, 5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.